Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make color text on Discord. First, open your Discord account in the web browser. In a new tab, search Rebane's Discord. Click on the website rebane2001.com. Basically, it's a color generator tool for Discord app. In this box, type your text. You can also change the color of text by selecting them and choosing the colors given above this box. You can also change the background color from BG. Once you're done, click on Copy Text as Discord formatted. Now, go to the Discord page. Here, paste the text which you have copied previously. As you can see, these color texts have been sent to your selected server. Now go back and generate more text. Now again, change the color of your text. Copy it as Discord formatted. Go to the Discord page and paste it here. So this is how to make color text on Discord. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.